Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Otherhalf AI application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up our Player App Store, search for Otherhalf AI and go ahead, download and install it. It's about 1.6 gigabytes in size, so keep that in mind before you download it. Now, once we've downloaded it, we need to go ahead and wait it out. So yeah, it's going to take a little bit for me. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to it once it's finished downloading and installing. Okay, so it's finished downloading and installing. So for the first time, go ahead and open up the application. Now, once you open it up, you're going to be greeted to the main page like so. Now we've got a few different options. We can go ahead and continue as an existing user, but if you're using it for the first time, go ahead and click on Get Started, which I'm going to go ahead and do. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on to Next. Now we can go ahead and exit out of this. We can get Flutter Plus now, so if you want to evolve all other halves, unlock all premium characters and gain access to additional features, you can go ahead and upgrade your account, but I'm going to go ahead and click on maybe later. Now from here, go ahead and jot in your name and click on to save. Okay, so you can receive text from your favorite characters or other halves, get surprise text throughout the day. If you want to go ahead and allow that, you can. So I'm going to allow notifications. Then after that, you're going to be taken to the home page of Otherhalf AI. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with all these different tabs at the bottom of the page here. So if we go ahead and click through these one by one, so we've got the Discover Home tab, so we can go ahead and have a suss of all that. Now if we go ahead and click onto this tab here, so this is going to be a marketplace. This is where you can hoard all your gems for now and then come to marketplace and you can purchase things with your gems. Now if we click on that little star here, so this is Flutter Pass, so now this is where we can go ahead and upgrade our account if you want to do that. And obviously when you upgrade your account, you're going to have access to more features. Click back. Now this is the chat bubble. Obviously this is where all your messages are going to appear inside of here. So if you want to go ahead and start chatting, you can. So click on start chatting. Now find a character you like to chat with. So say for example, I want to chat with, did see someone looks interesting here, so Midnight, so I'm going to click into that. Now they're going to give you a little rundown of what that character is about and click on open. Now it's going to load the experience. So from here you can ask a question, you can change topics, you can say something. So to send a message, go ahead and type there. I'm just going to say hello for now. It says sent. Now they're going to reply back to you. We can also use our microphone to talk into the mic. And you've got the send button, but the right here we've got a filter option here. So this is the menu. This is where we can evolve, have a persistent memory. We can reset the memory if you want. We can have insights or settings. I'm going to go ahead and click on the settings. We can adjust the volume, microphone, graphics quality, and all that good stuff. Now if I go ahead and click onto back, if we come back to the main menu, we can go on ahead and click onto our profile. This is where we can go ahead and change the graphics quality. We can edit your name. If you want to change it, they're going to show you how many gems you've got in the top right hand corner and also your account. So this is the ID with support. If you run into any issues, you can link your account so you can always come back on this device or another device. So go ahead and link an email if you haven't done so already. So yeah, this is just the basic run through of how to use Otherhalf AI.